If you look right up in that tree, there's a hoot owl sitting there. And there's a hawk. I don't know if you can see it or not. Maybe. It's pretty down here though, I like it. It's a creek. Ice on the water. Water is much lower than usual because it's been so dry. Those birds. And most of the time, all of these rocks are covered in water. Back up to the bluff where the icicles are. I don't think I've ever walked right here. It's never been this dry. And there's the creek. The icicles. The bluff right there. Last year in May, when all the storms hit, there were big trees washed down everywhere. That's one of them up here. Look at those birds fly when I walk up under this tree. Yep. One just went right above me. There it is, a little layer of ice on everything. Sun's shining though, it's very pretty. I think I'll walk on down to those limestone slabs. And then I'm probably going to turn around and go back. It's too cold. Probably the only day this week I'll get to walk though. I'm afraid it's going to be way too cold. The mornings especially will be. There we go. Ice.